is for apple. Apple is red, sweet, and round. The best healthy snack can always be found. B is for bear. Bear has soft fur and a cuddly face. He gives big warm hugs all over the place. C is for car. Car has big wheels and goes zoom, zoom, zoom. We love to go riding all over the room. D is for duck. Duck swims in water and quacks loud and clear, waddling and splashing, full of happy cheer. E is for egg. Egg is so fragile and sits in a nest, a warm, cozy home where birdies can rest. F is my fish. Fish swims in the ocean, deep down below. He wiggles his tail and puts on a show. G is for green. Green is the grass and the leaves on the tree, a beautiful color for you and for me. H is for hat. Hat keeps my head warm or shaded from sun. Wearing a silly hat is lots of fun. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is yummy, cold, sweet, and so nice, a special sweet treat, better than spice. J is for jump. Jump up and down as high as you can, like a happy little frog or a super duper fan. G is for kite. Kite flies so high, way up in the sky, dancing with wind as the clouds drift on by. L is for lion. Lion has a mane and a loud mighty roar, the king of the jungle and much, much more. M is for moon. Moon shines at night, a big friendly light. It helps us all sleep cozy and tight. N is for nest. Nest is a home for a bird family small, safe in the branches, high up and tall. O is for owl. Owl has big eyes and hoots in the dark. He watches the forest, we leave his mark. P is for pig. Pig loves to roll in the mud, what a spree. Oink goes the pig, happy as can be. Q is for quack. Quack says the duck, down by the pond, a silly fun sound of which we are fond. O is for rabbit. Rabbit has long ears and hops through the grass, wiggling his nose so quick he can pass. S is for star. Star twinkles brightly way up in the night, a tiny gold sparkle, a beautiful sight. T is for train. Train goes choo-choo, on its tracks it will roll, taking us places with a happy fun goal. U is for umbrella. Umbrella keeps raindrops right off of my head. I hold it up high when it rains, it is said. V is for van. Van is a car with lots of room inside, for family and friends on a fun, happy ride. W is for water. Water we drink and we splash and we play. It helps us feel fresh all through the day. S is for xylophone. Xylophone makes music with a soft, happy sound. Tap, tap on the bars, joy all around. Y is for yellow. Yellow is bright like the sun in the sky, a happy catch in your